Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So on today's video I do have another scent as well. This one is new from Kayali. It's called Vanilla Royal Sugar Patchouli number 64. It is a limited edition. So yeah, I will tell you today how my first impressions of this fragrance. I received it today, actually, in the morning. So I was like, okay, I'm gonna wear this as my scent of the day, so that at the end of the day I will be able to like tell you like if it lasts longer, if it's a good projection, how it behaves, how like if it's good, if it's worth your money or not. Because she ain't cheap, you know. Well, she's not that expensive, but still, you know, you want to get something good for your coins. So yeah, I'll be reviewing this for you guys today. Okay, cool. Okay, so they described this as an intoxicating mix of sugared patchouli. Okay, firstly, I just want to acknowledge the bottle, the packaging. Guys, this packaging is insane. Look at this. Really amazing. It's this gold bottle. It's their usual, you know, their usual bottle like shape and all that, but the color is just amaze balls. I like it. So this fragrance, they said it has top notes of vanilla, okay, creamy jasmine, and it has some golden rum on it. The middle notes are vanilla infusion, vanilla sugar absolute, if I'm pronouncing that correctly, and it has some tonka bean. And then they said the best notes is the sugared patchouli, royal oud, musk brown sugar, and amber. I don't know if I said them the correct way or if I missed some. So yeah, what does this smell like? They said they compared this to my vanilla 28, right? That fragrance, oh my god, it drives me crazy. It's just insane. Like, I love that fragrance. Okay, I love it. So when they said this you know, it's a sister to my vanilla 28, I was like, I'm getting it before I even smell it, before I even tested it, just for the bottle, because the bottle is just gorgeous. Okay, so it will be a like a $1,000,000 bonus if I actually love the scent. Let's find out if I do actually like the scent. Okay, so at first spray, the prominent note that is just hitting you in the face, that is just coming through with the full force, is actually the patchouli. It is very strong. The patchouli note is very strong. I do pick up the vanilla on here. It's not that regular vanilla that you can pick up on the vanilla 28. There's something unusual about this vanilla note that I'm picking. However, it is soft and it is very subtle. Like, there is some creaminess to it that I'm also catching with that jasmine. Like, it's very creamy. And then when it dries down, I start to pick up the rum. I do start to pick up the rum, which is sweet, and it also very boozy, if that makes sense. It's very boozy. It's very nice, and it's very warm. That boozy note makes it very warm to me. So does it match up with my vanilla 28? Okay, to say they are related, yes, I will agree that they are related, but sisters, no, that's a bit of a stretch. Personally, this is more of a patchouli scent, and the other one is a vanilla scent. It's not even overly gourmand. Like they said, this is a woody gourmand scent. This is not a gourmand scent. It's gourmand, but it's not overly gourmand, if that makes sense. So it's very rich and it's very decadent. I like it, but I will still pick my vanilla 28 over this. Like, if you layer this with the vanilla 28, oh my god, it's gonna be so beautiful. Like it's just gonna be so good. It will be good. So if you layer this with the vanilla 28, oh my god, it's just going to smell like a snack, like a proper snack. Like, it's just so sexy, it's so feminine. It's, you know me and femininity fragrances, I'm all for that. Okay, so it's just a beautiful, it will be a beautiful mixture, because if you think that you're gonna get a whole lot of vanilla notes from this fragrance, or a strong vanilla note from this fragrance, you probably will be disappointed. You will not get this like a vanilla coming through. There is, but not really, you know. It's definitely, if you layer this with the vanilla 28, it would definitely work. Like, it's just gonna be amazing. Okay, the projection, insane. So when I finished working a few hours ago, I went to take a shower. Oh my goodness, I could still smell like this fragrance, very strong. I've never actually smelled such a strong patchouli note on a fragrance before. It is that strong. I like the projection. I can't speak on the projection because I was working by myself, or like downstairs, like I work from home. So I can't really say, but I could smell it, you know. I could really smell it, and the longevity of it, like I could really smell it. But it's just me. Can other people smell it? I don't know, because I've just been around myself only. But yeah, I will be wearing this you know, to see how it's like, you know. But this is definitely a fall winter fragrance. This is an intense, it is intense, I do agree with that, but it's not the vanilla, you know. It's more patchouli. I'm still crazy about my vanilla 28, but I think it will be a beautiful mixture between these two and that vanilla 28, and I'm looking forward to it. So yeah, that's my thought on this new fragrance by Kayali. Tell me what you guys think about this fragrance, if you have it, and how are you wearing it, how are you layering it. So yeah, let's chat down below on the comments. Like the video and subscribe if you are, you know, all about perfumes. So yeah, I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye bye.